We use a 9 cubic foot mixer, and I thought that there would be no way this thing could mix a full batch. I thought there'd be no way this could push it out of the side, and it did a great job.
Hey, I'm Nate with Eterra Attachments, and today we're going to be shooting a video with our BMX-100 mixer. The BMX-100 can run on a wide range of machines from Ditch Witch, Vermeer, Bobcat, as well as any other mini skid steer you may have. On this unit you have steel paddles, which allows you to mix a wider range of material than some of your polycarbonate and rubber paddles. You also have a side discharge chute, which makes it easy for discharging wherever you need the concrete placed. With all BMX mixers, you can mix a wider range of materials from dry to wet and anything in between. It also has the ability to scoop material and mix it, as well as has handy bag cutters on the top for making it easy to get your concrete where you need it. This is our mini skid mixer, but we do also carry 3 models for full-size skid steers as well in the BMX 250, 450, and 600. Now that we've went over the features and benefits of this mixer, let's go out and see how this baby really works.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the
Mike Ellis, Curbed Edges. We do extruded concrete curbing. My first impression was it's really nice and pretty, and it'd be like putting it on lipstick on a pig for my machine. First and foremost though, we use a 9 cubic foot mixer, and that's what we're used to. And I thought that there would be no way this thing could mix a full batch for our curbs. And it did just fine. Secondly, we mix a very dry batch. It's just the nature of our business. It has to be really dry so it doesn't slump as it comes out of the slip mold. I thought there'd be no way this could push it out of the side, and it did a great job. Pleasantly surprised.
For more great attachments for mini and full-size skid steers, check out eterra-usa.com today.